High-performance modeling requires flexibility. While data-intensive training happens locally, engicloud.ai excels at model deployment, curation, and real-time inference. In this project, we explore how to bridge local development with cloud execution, making sophisticated machine learning models accessible to non-coders through a simple GUI. Here we utilize a COVID-19 Infection Predictor, a model designed to identify high-risk patients by analyzing demographic data and clinical history. The project fetches a trained classification model from an MLflow registry hosted on DagsHub, integrating your existing data science pipeline directly into our platform. In engicloud, you can securely use API keys to connect to other services in your calculator. To do that, you need to save the needed API keys in your user settings by providing the key and giving it a name. You can then use that key in a calculator using its name. The journey begins with rigorous local training. Once a model is ready, we register it to DagsHub using MLflow. By logging every hyperparameter and metric, we transform a local script into a versioned, auditable asset ready for the cloud. We then establish a secure handshake with the platform. Environment variables and tracking URIs are mapped directly inside the Python session, allowing engicloud to communicate with the remote registry and pull the model into your workflow whenever needed. Within the engicloud environment, we construct a feature vector for a specific patient case. The platform automatically packages this data into a standardized format, ensuring the input fits perfectly with the model's requirements. The loaded classifier then performs inference. With a single click, the platform predicts the likelihood of COVID-19 infection, providing both a binary classification and a detailed probability score. This hybrid workflow opens vast possibilities. Interact with complex ML models through GUI, share private predictors with your team, or publish your research as an executable tool for the global community. Where data science meets collaborative engineering. engicloud.ai, the world's wisdom in one modeling platform.